Hi, dear students, welcome to my online class. Today we will practice assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive. Okay? It is just for evaluation. In our previous class, we discussed all the rules regarding assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive. We have already completed all the rules regarding these topics. Okay, now we will discuss the exercise. Okay, so now I am writing some exercise on the whiteboard, and you will try to do it with the help of me. Okay, students. Number 1. Okay, my boys, look on the whiteboard. In the whiteboard, I have written totally 3 examples here. The first example is here. Look, how fine the scenery is. How fine the scenery is. The second example is, it was really an exciting event. And in the third example, we are finding that the sentence is like, what a lucky boy you are. So this is a sentence, and we are watching that this sentence is in form, especially in the form of exclamatory, and this sentence is in assertive, and the example number 3 is in exclamatory form. So just we will change it in its opposite sentence. Okay, and here in the bracket we are watching that assertive. So you are directed here to change the sentence into assertive. Look here at the beginning, we are finding the writing how. So in the sentence, especially in the beginning of the sentence, if we find how, then we know how we will change the sentence into assertive. So here at first we will have to pick up the head word or object. And what is the head word here? How fine the scenery. This scenery is the head word. Okay, this scenery. So at first we will write this scenery. This scenery. And then we will write the verb. What is the verb here? The verb here is. So the scenery is. And we know after writing verb, or after picking up the verb from the given sentence, we will write very, great, or so. Why we will write it? Because as we will eliminate how or what a, and this is for why we will have to write very, great, or so. So the scenario is very. The scenario is very. After writing very, you were suggested to write the object. And what is the object? The next part of the sentence is called object, but we will eliminate how. So this scenario is very fine. This scenario is very fine. F-I-N-E. Is it clear to you, students? I think you are understood. The scenario is very fine. The question is here, how fine the scenario is? The answer is, the scenario is very fine. Now, let's come to this example number 2. In example number 2, we are watching that here it is written, it was really an exciting event. It was really an exciting. So, this sentence indicates just an assertive sentence. And you are suggested here with bracket to write or to change the sentence into exclamatory. So look here, this is the verb. We know if we find the use of a or an after verb, then we will use hot a at the beginning if we change the sentence into exclamatory. So as we are finding here an, so we will take hot a or hot an. Okay. So hot an, then object. What is the object? The object here is an exciting event. An exciting event. Hot and E-X-C-I-T-I is hot and exciting. Okay, hot and exciting event. Hot and exciting event. And then we'll pick up the subject. What is the subject here? The subject here is it. So hot and exciting event, it. And then is. Hot and exciting event, it is. Hot and exciting event, it is. And look here, we have found really. You can omit it also and you can write it also. So we can use here really at the last also. Hot and exciting event, it is really. And also I will say you student, you can use this word just really just before it. So if we write it like this, hot and exciting event, really it is. Hot and exciting event, really it is. Then it is also correct. Okay. So we can write hot and exciting event, it is really. Or also we can use hot and exciting event, really it is. Okay. And after finishing the sentence, we will not forget to write the note of exclamation sign. Understand, students? Now come to the example number 3. Look here. In the example number 3, we are finding that the sentence is, what a lucky boy you are. What a lucky boy you are. So, this sentence, if I ask you, dear boys, what kind of sentence is this? Then you can say, sir, it is from exclamatory. Why? Because at the beginning we are watching that there is writing here or using here hot a or hot an. And at the last part of the sentence we are finding that note of exclamation sign. And if we find the note of exclamation sign, then it is called the exclamatory sentence. So the sentence is in the form of exclamatory sentence, and in the bracket you were suggested to change the sentence into assertive. So from this sentence we will make an assertive sentence. How can we do that? Okay, it is very easy, and I know all of you can do it very easily. At first we will pick up the head word. So what is the head word? We know there are much more words in a sentence, but the word which is just like head, or the word which is the main or the main word or the main subject is called the head word. So the another name of subject or main word is head word. So what is the head word here? What a lucky boy you are. You. Okay? You. So the head word here is you. The head word here is you. So we will write you. Okay, you, and then we will write verb. What is the verb here? Are. So you are. You are. Boys, so you are. What a lucky boy you are. So I have written here, you are. Then, if I ask you, my dear boys, what is the word that I will write now? We know, after using verb, we will try to write very great or so. Why we will write it? Because as we will eliminate hot a or hot an or how from the exclamatory, instead of this word, we will take very great or so. So, after writing verb, we will write very great or so. What word will be suitable here? We will pick up that. So, you are a very. You are a very. And then we can use you are a. You are a. Okay, here I have already forgotten to write a. You are a very. An object. What is the object here? Lucky boy. L-U-C-K-Y. Lucky boy. So you are a very lucky boy. This is the answer. This is the answer. So boys, I think now you all are understood about the C example. Do you understand, everybody? I think you all are understood now, right? Can I erase the board now? Okay, now I am erasing the board, and after erasing the board, I will write another examples so that we can sense that. Okay, boys. So again I am saying the sentence again, the question and the answer. How fine the scenery is, assertive. Okay. The answer is here. The scenery is very fine. And then it was really an exciting event. Exclamatory. Hot and exciting event it is really. Or hot and exciting event really it is. Okay, boys? Either you will write really before it or after is. Okay? Number 3. What a lucky boy you are. The answer is here. You are a very lucky boy. You are a very lucky boy. Now I am writing another 3 examples. I think you will be able to change the exercise very easily. Okay, boys, I am erasing now. And after erasing the board, I will write another 3 sentences on the whiteboard, and you will try to change the sentences as it is directed, and they are directed within it bracket. Okay, boys. Now I am writing another 3 examples, and you will give the answer. Okay, boys. Example number 4. Example number 4. C-R-I-C-K. Cricket is a very popular game. Exclamatory. Okay. Number 5. What a fool he is. Assertive. My dear boys, I have already written another 3 examples on the whiteboard. Example number 4. Cricket is a very popular game. Within bracket, here it is written exclamatory. That means you are directed to change this sentence into exclamatory. It is in the form of assertive sentence. It is in the form of assertive, okay? It is in the form of assertive sentence. Okay, now, what a fool he is. This is the next example. And within bracket we are finding that here it is written assertive. That means you are suggested to change this sentence into assertive. Now look in the example number 6. Look boys, here it is written, the Padma is a very big river. The Padma is a very big river. The Padma is a very big river. And look here, within bracket, there is written that exclamatory. So, you are suggested and you are directed to write or change the sentence into exclamatory. Okay? So, cricket is a very popular game. Look here. After verb, here a or an is written. A or an is used. And we know very well, if we find the use of a or an just after the verb, then how the structure? We know that, okay, student? So, at the beginning, we will use hot a or hot an, not how. We will use hot a or hot an. So, hot a. Hot a. After writing hot a, then we will write the object. What is the object here? Popular game. Understood, boys? Popular game. So, hot a popular game. Hot a popular game. Then we will write the subject. The subject here is cricket. What a popular game cricket is. Okay, boys? So the answer is what a popular game cricket is. Now look here. The example number 5. Understood? Boys, understood you? Cricket is a very popular game. And the answer is what a popular game cricket is. Look, the example number 5. What a fool he is. What a fool he is. The answer like this. He then is a. He is a great fool. Okay, boys, look. What a fool he is. As it is in the form of exclamatory, so we will change this sentence into assertive. And at this case, we know at first we will pick up the head word. And what is the head word in the sentence? The head word is he. So I have written down he. After using subject, we will use verb. And that is why I have written here is, he is. And after writing is, we will write a or an. And so we have written here a. He is a grateful. And then look here. In the example number 6, the question is, the Padma is a very big river. How can we change it? Here you are directed to change this sentence into exclamatory. So, look here. After using verb is, we are looking that here a or an is used. So, we will take hot a or hot an. So, hot a. After writing hot a, we will pick up the object. What is the object here? Big river. What a big river. What a big river. After writing object, we will write the subject. What is the subject here? The subject is the Padma. What a big river. The Padma. And at the last of the sentence, we write the verb. And after writing verb, we'll use note of exclamation sign. So the answer is, what a big river the Podda is. So dear boys, again I am revising the 3 examples and answers. Cricket is a very popular game. The answer is, what a popular game cricket is. Next, what a fool he is. The answer is, he is a great fool. And number 6, the Podda is a very big river. The answer is, what a big river the Podda is. So I think all of you are now very much clear about the exercise of assertive to exclamatory or exclamatory to assertive. Okay boys, so you will practice more and more sitting at your house. Okay boys, if you do that, I think you all will be very much able to change the sentence easily. So my boys, today that's all. Goodbye my dear students. Goodbye. See you again.